Artificial intelligence continues to dominate technology conversations, not just as a futuristic concept, but as an essential tool embedded into daily life. Companies across industries are integrating AI into customer support, cybersecurity, healthcare, education, and content creation. What's changing today is speed. Tasks that used to take hours now happen in seconds. AI can write code, analyze data, generate realistic images, and even create full business workflows automatically. But while AI boosts productivity, it also raises concerns about job security. More companies are exploring automation to reduce long-term costs, meaning workers worldwide must begin reset. The good news: demand for AI cloud and cybersecurity professionals is growing at record levels.